Okay, this is how to change video dimension in CapCut. Maybe you feel like you recorded the video vertically and it may be classified as YouTube short and you want to change it to long form video. Let's just get, as the CapCut opens, tap on new project. Then select the video you want to apply. So let me go with this. It was recorded vertically. Tap on add. As the video is added, please ensure that it's not tapped on, because when you tap on it, you'll not be able to select the feature I want us to have. So here I have tapped on the video clip, and that's why you have this kind of a rectangle around it. So I have to tap on it so that it will not be selected. Okay, so once you find yourself in this state, start dragging towards the left, all right, until you get to the aspect ratio section. You can see aspect ratio as one of the options here. So tap on that aspect ratio. Now, originally this was shot in vertical format, which is 9:16, but I want it to be in long form format of a YouTube video. So I'll tap on 16:9. You have other ratios, other dimensions you can choose. So I'll tap on 16:9 and tap on the tick button. Okay, as this is applied, it's now in the standard long form video of YouTube. So tap on export. So give it time and the video will be exported into the gallery or the Photos app of your iPhone, depending on the type of device you are using. And we are done. I will tap on done.